There are still wild bee colonies in Wales like this one on display at the new Quay Honey Farm. And in the west, darker bees, either pure black or with strong black features, are still found.
This black bee is really the native bee of the British Isles. It's perhaps under-recognised, but it's very important. It's very important particularly in the more challenging climates of the west and the north.
Since 1992, a plague of parasites called varroa has spread across southern England and into Wales. Within 5 years, wild bees will disappear, and those in hives will survive only if beekeepers protect them.
Beekeepers really should be able to look at hives themselves. Unfortunately, they either don't look themselves, or if they do, they don't know what to look for. What we look for is any cells that look odd or out to the ordinary. See, here you get a nice pattern of cells. You do get sometimes missing cells.
These bees are very dark, if not completely black, but most beekeepers prefer imported yellow bees which have been bred for honey production and are more docile than the black ones.
If someone says, look, we've bred this bee and it really is quiet and it really does do the business, would you like to try a few? I'd be very happy to try some, but I remain to be convinced.
Welsh beekeepers are being asked to report colonies of black bees in hives or in the wild, so they can be bred and improved. With the spread of varroa, there's nothing that can be done to save wild bees as such. But with human help, it's hoped that the black bee, the Welsh black bee as some call it, will survive. James Stewart, BBC Wales Today, near New Quay.